So hello, pot with us, 25 peace lilies that are going to be gifted. And we have a couple of questions that people ask. Maybe we can address some of them. The peace lilies are ready. We've already removed some of the soil. So before we pot, this is our pots. It's important to note that the pots have drainage, very good drainage. And these are the pots where they're going to sit as the gifts. So we are potting, double potting, then putting them here. There are very many benefits of double potting, which if time allows, we shall share. So yeah, let's begin. So to pot, you get your pot, put in a little bit of soil, and then you put your plants. So put the soil around the roots of the plant, and then you give it a good firm press, so that the roots are touching the soil that you have put at the bottom properly. So this is how it turns out. Are you supposed to remove all the soil? The answer is you can remove all the soil if the plant is terribly sick, if the potting media you're using is not compatible. In most cases, if you have root rot, yeah, you can repot. Today we're using the peace lilies are in moss, and the black soil we're using is already mixed. It's very light, very draining, very well draining, and also has manure to sustain the plant for up to 6 months. Yeah. Balance. I should try Uganda. Because I try Uganda. What is the camera loaded today? She's giving me side eye. Also, I'm potting very quickly because I have less than 10 minutes to finish all of these plants, as time has been spent for the day. Otherwise, how are you guys? How are your plants doing? What do you know about peace lilies? We did a video once where we were showing how much water a peace lily takes, and we got comments from you guys about how peace lilies are drama queens, because what peace lilies do is when they don't have water, they dip their leaves. The leaves, what we like to say, we call it maybe go on, but when you give them water, you give them water, they're immediately up. So how are the peace lilies doing? These are miniature versions, the giant peace lilies, the variegated peace lilies. Our last batch of the variegated peace lilies had a scent in the flower. You guys, it was my first time. Can you imagine? How old were you when you know that? How old were you when you knew that peace lily flowers have scents?